Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with a pair of John Deere Titan combines, racing the weather to get wheat harvest completed in western New York. These were really tough conditions. The wheat was really too damp to be harvesting, but they needed to get it out of the field before another storm rolled in. So they were doing whatever it took, and that meant some of the wheat getting caught up on the reel. They had the combines get plugged before I got there. It was really a tough day for them, but they worked hard to get through it and ended up finishing this field just as the rain was starting. And you will see how fast they were running the combine to get the grain out of there so that it was unloaded and the grain could stay dry. It was really cool to see these yellow cab roof models. These were made in the early production years of the Titan combines and then eventually changed to green cab roofs in the mid-80s. The 8820 in this video was made in 1983 and the 7720 was made in 1984, right before they changed over to the green cab roofs. Now a lot of guys will say that the yellow cab roofs were not considered Titan combines, but if you look at the old sales literature for the early 20 series combines from John Deere, the sales literature labels them as Titan combines, even though they don't say Titan on the side of the machine. Now let's go listen to this awesome harvest crew work on finishing up wheat before the storm rolls in. hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with these two John Deere Titan combines racing the storm to finish up wheat harvest. If you love seeing tractors at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.